Good afternoon, I'm Federica D'Ambrosio, and we're now going to review the account of one of our funded trader, Manish. Manish joined our funded trader program on the 25th of August, so last summer, and he hit his first 10% target on the 24th of December, on the Christmas Eve. So very well done. Congratulations, Manish. Now, let's have a look at the equity line because from here we can see how Manish had quite a tough beginning with us. In fact, we can see how by the 25th of September, so 1 month after he joined our program, he was down by 8.37% on his account. And also we can see how steeply he went to this stage. But we also want to mention how from this point onwards, the equity line is really nice, nicely upward sloping. And in fact, from the 25th of September, it went one way up here until on the 10th of November, so in the beginning of November, first week of November, he managed to get back to the initial account balance. And then from the beginning of November until the 24th of December, he managed to hit his first 10% target. Okay, from the statistics, we can see an average daily return of 0.08%, a monthly return of 2.41%, with a drawdown of almost 9% altogether overall. Let's have a look at the advanced statistics as well. So, 879 position opened with a profitability rate of 76%, which is really good, a very high winning rate. Let's have a look at the average win and loss. So, an average win of 9.31 pips and an average loss of 22 pips. But since the profitability rate, since the winning rate is really high, it still managed to be profitable over time. Now, let's have a look also at best and worst trade. We can see similarity in the dates, so I believe they belong to the same trade. And in fact, as regards the best trade in terms of dollars and in terms of pips, was on the 16th of October. He gained $75 and 75 pips. Okay. In terms of worst trades, again we can see on the 25th, both of them on the 25th of September, he lost $206 and 206 trades. Let's have a look at the summary. Okay, so Manish only traded the pound dollar. Only one pair for him. So all the 879 position opened, all of them were on this pair. He gained, of course, 1,500 pips with a result of $1,526. Okay, let's have a look also at the history of his account. We are expecting quite a long history. In fact, we have 45 pages. This is the 25th of August when he first joined our company and our program. So in the beginning, we can see he was opening different lot size per trade. We can see 0.2, 0.22, 0.03, 0.25, 0.15. Let's have a look. And then I think he started to go only by 0.10. Now, let me confirm that a bit. We can scroll around the history of his account, but yes, I can say he only went 0.10. And this is when on the 22nd actually of December he reached his first 10% target and is now trading at the moment with a $30,000 account. Okay, Let's also have a look at the monthly gain. So, end of August is when he joined. September, he was down on his account, and we saw that by his equity line. Then in October, things start to change a bit. In fact, we can see he was up 5.85% in October, 5.07% in November, and 6.93%. Of course, is trading at the moment for the month of December. Okay, Manish, very well done. Very nice recovery you did on your account, and we look forward to do the second review for your account.